Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you're seeking for comfort and style, check out these gorgeous women's platform wedge sandals by Lotgnimry. They're perfect for any occasion, and they come in this beautiful nude suede color that you will love. They have a secure fit that's comfortable even on an even ground, and they're close to if you want a more polished look. The adjustable ankle strap ensures a perfect fit as well, and they're comfortable enough for you to wear all day long, making them ideal for work, school, or traveling. They're a must have in your shoe collection. I promise you will love them. The stitching was top notch on both shoes as well. So if you're looking for the perfect shoe for the summer, grab these beautiful sandals by Lot Memory. They're great for everyday use, true to size, they're made with high quality materials, and they come in black color as well.
And that's my point of view.